9.6 Transformation on a rectangular coordinate plane. In here, transformation. Do you remember this word, transformation? Yeah, we have learned this in chapter 8. Chapter 8, Symmetry and Transformation, right? So, how many kinds of transformations? Yeah, in chapter 8, you have 4 kinds of transformation. The first one, yeah, translation. In Chinese, this one. The second one, yeah, reflection. The third one, rotation. And the fourth one, we have 2 words, remember? Yeah, one is enlargement, and the other one, yeah, contraction. Enlargement and contraction. So here, on the coordinate plane, on a rectangular coordinate plane, we have, okay, have a look. A, translation. Okay, this is the first one we'll talk about. Let's see. Translation, do you remember? One is right or left, and the other one is upward or downward, right? 2 kinds in translation. And have a look, the first one. If point P, now point PXY, is translated to the right or left by m units. Okay, so see here, I draw the figure, and here's m units. If translate to the right hand side, then what happened? You see x plus m, right? If translate to the right hand side. And if translate to the left hand side, then x minus m. So here, if translate to this side, then x coordinate becomes x minus m. So it's easy for you to calculate by yourself. Maybe no need to memorize this. Okay, just give you an example. Now, if P is 1, 3, then what is the image of P? We say that is the image of P. Then you say that, oh, is it P pi? Yes, P pi, you can write like this. And this time I'll use the letter A and letter B. Okay, so let's have a look. Then what is the image of P after 4 units to the right? 4 units to the right. Very good. A becomes 5, 3, correct. How about P translate 5 units to the left? Then what is the result? If this one is B, then what is the result? Yeah, correct. 1 minus 5, that means negative 4. Negative 4, 3. Okay, so see that here, if translates to right or left, it affect x coordinates. Okay, let's see an example. 9.6.1. Write down the coordinates of the image corresponding to each of the following translation on a rectangular coordinate plane. Here, translation. So you think that, okay, this time we translate. Let's see. Translate A 5 units to the left. Okay, left hand side like this. Okay, so what is A pi? That means image of A. Affect x-axis. So from here, -2, 5 units. So it becomes -7. So the answer -7, 3. Okay. See? Okay, part B. 10 units to the right. That means here B, -4, 6. Okay, 10 units to the right. Here is B pi, 10 units. What happened? So B pi equals to, yeah, -4 plus 10, so it's 6. 6. Correct. How about C? 4 units downward. Okay, downward and upward, we haven't talked about this. So let's see. How about upward or downward? Let's see. Here, if P is translated upward or downward by n units, then what happened? You see here is a P, then upward n units. Okay, here is n units. Then if I affect to the y coordinates, right? From here up to here. So y plus n. If downward, that means this one in units. Then what happened? From here down to here. So n units then become y minus n. That means here will affect y coordinates. Okay, let's see. We'll have an example here. P now is 4, 1. Okay, then down upward 2 units. That means m coordinates of m are x, and then are not x, because now it's 4. 4, 3, right? Because 1 plus 2 becomes 3. How about downward? If now P 3, you translate 3 units downward. So n 4, okay, let's see. 1 here and then 3 units downwards, that means 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3. So it's -2. So n equals to n 4, -2. Okay? Let's see. Part C. Translate point C 4 units downward. So here is point C 0, 7, and then 4 units downward. C pi. So C pi equals to 0, 3. Correct. Very good. Point D. -2, -1, and then 8 units upward. 8 units upward. Then what is the image of D? -2, no change. Okay, -1 plus 8. So -1 plus 8 because it's upward. So -2, 7. Good. E and F. This time, translate 8 units to the left and 9 units to upwards. 9 units upwards. So mark it here, 8 units to the left, and then 9 units upward. Okay. So what is the image of E? So here 3 minus 8, so -5. 3 minus 8 because left hand side. Okay. Upward, that means -5 plus 9. So it's 4. So image of E is -5, 4. And the last one. Translate F 5 units downward and 1 unit to the left. So what is the image of F? Image of F. F here downward 5 units and then 1 unit to the left. So image of f is here. 5, 1. Okay. So again, 4 minus 4 here. Okay. Let's see. Downward, that means affect y coordinates. So 1 minus 5. So it's -4. And then 1 to the left, that means 4 minus 1. So it's 3. So 3, -4 is the answer. Okay. So translation, I think, is easy for you to understand.